Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, you are going to explore and learn different methods of array in JavaScript, which will be helpful to write down the code for automation and development. We are going to learn all these methods which are mentioned in these comments. First method is how can we update the value of an array. So let's say I want to update this value of 4 to 12. How can I do that? Just write the array name and give the index of that 4. So index starts with 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is in the index 3 and give the value equal to 12. The value which you want to replace with. Print this in output console.log. Give the command node space your JS file name and hit enter. You can see this 4 is replaced with 12. In this way, you can update the value of your array through the index. Next method is adding the new value to array. How can you do that? Just write the array name and dot push. Push method helps us to write down the new value in the array. So I am giving 15. I want to print console.log array name. So push method helps you to add the value to the array. You can see the 15 is added. Next method is adding the value to the first place in the array. This push method helps in adding the value, but as you can notice, it has added to the last place in array. I want to add the value in the first place. So what is the method name for that? Write the array name and dot unshift. This unshift method helps you to add the value in the first place of array. I am giving 20 and print it in output console.log a. Just execute the command, hit enter. You can see 20 is added in the very first place. Next method is deleting the last value of the array. Write the array name and you can use the method pop. Pop method helps us to delete the value which is in the last place of array. So print this in output console.log a. The last value of the array is 15. No, it will not show us 15 because this pop method will delete that. Execute the command. You can see it has successfully deleted this 15. Next method is to know the index position of an array value. How will you do that? So I want to know the index position of value 6. You can directly write array name dot index of, give the value inside the bracket. So print it in output console.log. You can see it is in the third index 0, 1, 2, 3. 6 is in the third index. Moving forward to next method, which is to validate whether the value is present in the array or not. So how can you do that? Give the array name dot includes. So I am giving 40, which is not present in this array. So let me try to print it. Let me execute. You can see it is throwing me the false because in this array there is no 40. If I give 10 here, this time it will print true. You can see this is the way to validate the values of an array, whether the value is present or not, with the method called dot includes. You can also create the subarray. For creating subarray, you need to use array name dot slice. You can see it is suggesting us to give the two indexes, the beginning one and the end one. So let me give the index 3, comma 7. I am storing this in a separate constant, new array, console.log new array. So I want to print this in output, so I am using console.log. Let me try to execute. You can see it has printed only 6, 12, 3, 2 because I gave here to print the values from the index 3 to index 7. So 6 is in index 3. So it started printing from here. So like that, you can also create the subarray from the main array with the method called slice. If you want to know the size of the array, then you need to use the method length. Write the array name dot length. If you want to print this in output, console.log, execute the command. You can see this is the length. Length is 12. If you count these numbers in array, that is 12. Last but not least, this is sorting the array. So you can sort the array in ascending order, in descending order. Let me create a new array for this. This time I will take the name as B. So I have created the array with the numbers which are not sorted. So I want to sort it in ascending order. How can I do that? Write the array name dot sort. So it will auto suggest you that it is telling that use this function, which is a comma b and then a minus b. That's it. Store this in a variable sorted array and print this in output, console.log. Use the array name. You can see numbers are in sorted. We give the unsorted array. So with help of the sort method, we made this array in ascending order. If you want to do it in descending order, you can directly do it. b.sort a comma b and give the function. Here this time we will give b minus a. That's it. So I am giving a variable called descending and I am going to print that in output, console.log descending. Execute the command and you can see the difference. So this one is in the sorted ascending order, this one is sorted in the descending order. So this is the importance of sort method. So these are pretty much about array methods. Thank you.